Hi, the question is, what are the most profitable lawn care divisions? So I'll start with the least profitable and go to the most profitable. Of course, this is just for my business, and I think most businesses would be follow a very similar trend. So it's easy to get into mowing since all you need is a mower. Mowing, we're in the 80 per man hour for a two-man crew. If you have a one-man crew, you might get up to 90 to 95 per man hour. That's clocking in for the day to clocking out at the end of the day and working pretty efficiently. Next, we have our cleanup division. For that means bush trimming and weed eating down weeds and trimming small trees. This is in the same range as mowing, but it's slightly higher for us, for motivated people. A two-man crew can do in the 90 to 100 per man hour range. Next, we have sprinkler repair. You can charge 100, 120 per hour. Some might even go higher than that. Plus, you can charge 50 to $100 just to show up. And then you also have any parts that you use. They could be marked up 2 to 3 times. So you add all that together, and a sprinkler repair technician can do around 150 per man hour, somewhere in that range. And then we have lawn fertilization and weed control. In an 8-hour day, one technician for us can do about $1,800 worth of work. About 400 of that is product, so that adds up to about 175 per man hour by the time you subtract the product cost. And our most profitable services are monthly weed sprays, that's like just spot spraying weeds with Roundup, and perimeter pest control, where we just spray around the houses and keep the insects from going in. For those services, usually there's no more than $50 to $100 worth of product for the whole day, and we can spray about $1,800 worth in one day. So by the time you subtract the product cost out of that service, it's close to about 215 per man hour. So as you can imagine, as the training and the licensing go up, the more you can charge. There's less competition, and so the market just bears a higher man hour rate. Let me know if you have any other questions. Happy to answer any questions on this topic or any other lawn care related questions. Thanks.